Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Relive app and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Relive. Here you can uninstall your app and then you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.